We have some great summer weather, which means we have some great summer color in perennials. So we're going to be able to show you some beautiful combinations starting right now. So we are going to start with Campanula Takion Blue, a nice upright form with sky blue flowers. And we're going to put a Phygelius Colorburst Yellow right behind it. Stunning Cape Fuchsia with pale yellow blooms that are there all summer if you deadhead. Echinacea Vintage Pearl shows you you don't have to buy purple or pink in the cone flower. And we're going to pair this up with Digitalis Panther, a beautiful foxglove and a traditional English cottage combination. Now we have one of my favorite perennials, Veronica Royal Candles, beautiful dark blue flowers for 2 months. And we're going to pair this with Agastache Poquito Orange, which has a nice orange-yellow complement, and this looks really good right by the patio. Here we have Scabiosa Flutter Deep Blue, and if you deadhead this, it'll bloom all summer long. And we're pairing this up with Agastache Golden Jubilee, brilliant gold foliage, and look, those flowers match. If you're from the 80s and you love pink, we've got something for you. We've got Lavandula, the princess, which really lives up to her name, by the way. And then we're going to combine this with Clematis Elodi, which will only grow about 18 inches by 18 inches and fill up the whole bottom of that container. Our 2-plant perennial combinations may look rather simple, but as you can see by all this color, you can make beautiful combinations at home using any of these.